Hi class, and welcome to my final project presentation for Comm310. My name is Cassidy, and my site is a portfolio of my digital hand lettering and mirror calligraphy hobby, and it's called CJT Designs. My color scheme is this dark teal and kind of blue-green, and I wanted a fun, bold pop of colors, so I just went with this hot pink to contrast. This is my home page, and I had the idea to do this overlay and have the images work as links, but I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to execute it. So I was super excited when I got it working, and my excitement was very short-lived because then I couldn't get my images to work as links. It was very frustrating, and I thought, this was supposed to be the easy part, and I just couldn't figure it out. So after seeking some outside help, we realized that my overlay code was covering the link essentially, so I needed to adjust kind of the location of it in my code, and we were able to make it work. And that's what I think is the most difficult part about making this site, is when you know that the HTML or CSS should be behaving a certain way, but it's just not working for you and you don't know why, and you can't find that immediate answer, and then you just feel stuck. Moving on, this is my About page. I used the circular image to have repetition with the circular logo. My first content page displays some of my iPad lettering images. I wanted to keep everything the same size and just have it be nice and aligned. I wasn't sure about image size and resolution for these, so I feel like I learned a lot about images on this page. They still feel a bit small and not as clear as I would like for them to be, but I also didn't want it to take forever to load the page. My second content page is about mirror calligraphy. On this page, I use the images to break up the text since it's easier to read something in smaller bits than just one long paragraph. And once again, I've tried to keep these images spaced out well and evenly aligned. And last is the contact form. For design, I used the rounded edges and the dark teal color to reflect that of the round and dark teal in the logo. That's everything. So overall, I just tried to keep things very clean and simple since my skill set is pretty basic, but I already have ideas of things that I would like to add and hopefully improve in the future. Thanks for watching.